Hey everyone, I've created this YouTube channel to try and grow $200 to $400, and the only point of making these videos is to journal my trades so that you guys can come with me in this journey, and it puts more pressure on me to only take good trades because I know other people will be seeing them. So that's the idea with this YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoy the content I put on here. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to recommend, please let me know in the comments. Okay, market's just opened. Currently looking at this 4-hour external range liquidity, we pushed past that daily high, but you can see like now ES is nowhere close. See, this is 12 o'clock on the 7th, 12 o'clock on the 7th. NAS is pushed way further up than S&P 500. So now I'm kind of looking for a reversal from this level. I'm not looking to trade the continuation because if it's such a big push here, there needs to be something coming back before it wants to go to the previous all-time high or coming back down. So yeah, let's see what happens. Right. Still got that SMT here. I could even put it. Can put this here. See how we've come up there, right? We've smashed past this high, whereas we haven't here. So, see what happens. A very strong push in the beginning of the market. 35 minutes past. Right, there we go. Wow, it's so bullish. Okay, while this is going on, I'm gonna go marinate some chicken because I'm hungry. Potentially looking at sales now. We see this very, if we kind of take this, I look for a short. Yeah, hopefully price doesn't do that, but if we take this high out and then break down here, I look to short this back down low. But let's see what happens. It's not wanting to come down. It's rejecting off of this fair value gap here. Okay, I think trading views with Rogan. See, this looks like a good trade to take, right? But there was no fair value gap displaced, right? And you can see as well, like the divergence here. This bearish bar was bigger than this bullish one. However, the volume doesn't say it was. So this could be a fake push before we see something like this, and then the actual push comes. Because people start selling here now, it's just going to take out those sellers, right? Before then pushing back down. Right, here it is, taking out the sellers. Let's see what happens here. Got to say, I've taken a sell here. Right, there's an example of a unicorn pattern, right? Should have only entered here, but you can see a break, a block here. Came up, price created a fair value gap through it and created a new low. So should have entered up here. I entered a bit too early. I entered off this candle here, off this break. Right. Nas doing a stop hunt, right? Literally what I said earlier. Nas would come here, create a stop hunt before selling. But I'm in this trade here. Might exit early. We'll have to see. But if Nas now comes here, it just does that. That's literally a perfect entry for a sell. Right? I just took out those sellers, right? And now we'll see if price comes sell off. See what happens here. If we create this inverted fair value gap, if we create this fair value gap through here, I'm actually going to close because I don't like that. You can just see how much buying pressure there is versus selling pressure. Very little selling pressure. Let's see, are we going to have a continuation or are we going to reverse? Yeah, literally exactly what I said would happen. We come here, this buyers would get stopped out, and then price should come back down. Now I'm in this trade already, right? I'm in the sell. And I'm actually going to move my stops to this high, right? Because if this gets taken out, I don't want to be at this trade anymore, so. Or, you know, we'll just leave it open. I don't like how Nas hasn't created that low yet, right? It's creating a bit of a divergence that I don't like. But I have trust in the trade. I didn't yet take out that loan. Need this to be taken out. This fair value gap's been inverted. Right, so let's see. Price creates a new low through here. Let's see what happens. It's really tempting to close out of this trade because when I get into a trade, I like to see it play out. But that's kind of not what's happening here. And see, it's literally all consolidating, but it's either coiling before shooting down, right? Or it's gonna go boom and boom, and then I'm gonna be really upset. But if it does come up here and take this out, I can always look for another selling opportunity. But right now, price is just going sideways, just like it did yesterday. I swear yesterday also just literally just sideways movement. It's been so frustrating. Right, like, anyways, we'll see what happens. Right, these have either been continuation days like this, or it's just been sideways movement. See what happens. Can see we're going down now. Let's see if we can continue. Now price has created that change in state delivery. Now I can expect for NAS to continue down, right? But I'm already in this. I'm not going to take a buy and sell on that because I'm already in S&P 500. But this is nice. Right, this is the first 30 minutes of the session, right? Now we're going to create this 5-minute fair value gap here. One of Casper's strategies, right? You put the stop loss here and you target a 1 to 2, which would be this, where with this candle here. I don't know, let's see what happens. Price is really... I ain't gonna move stops to break even, because I just hate this choppiness. I really do. But I'm just gonna let it run. Okay. Don't want to be too rash. Nice, nice. We're just shooting down now. Right, let's close one of those lots. Right. Let's move our stops to break even now. Right. Stop loss to 626.3.7. Right, we moved our stops to this over here, right? And this one as well. See if we can go lower. That was a beautiful sell-off. Right, beautiful sell-off. Flip, I was like gone for a bit. 63.7. Let's do this one as well. 6263.7, right? Right, so now stop loss even. We're just gonna let this thing run. Right where I wasn't expecting such a jump. But this is absolutely beautiful. Let's target this here, right? We're already at a 1 to 2. I'm gonna just close out of that other small position. You're going in further down. Okay, I'm fully out. I'm fully out. That is beautiful. I'm happy with that. Right, I'm really happy with that. That was really nice. Yo, even then price is continuing to shoot down. That's insane. But we got that 1 to 3. Right, I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.